Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, where we talk about careers, study options, and how to build a future that truly excites you. And today's episode is all about one of the most foundational professions in the world, civil engineering. Now, just take a moment and look around you. The roads you drive on, the bridges you cross, the buildings you work and live in. These are all designed, constructed, and maintained by civil engineers. From the Burj Khalifa in Dubai to your neighborhood shopping mall, civil engineers have a hand in shaping the environment we live in. And are you someone who's passionate about designing cities, solving infrastructure challenges, or maybe even fascinated by large scale projects like highways, dams, and skyscrapers? If yes, then this episode is just for you. We'll dive deep into the scope of civil engineering in India and abroad, the nature of work, essential skills, educational qualifications, salary expectations, and the best universities to study civil engineering globally. Stick around till the end for some valuable insights. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So, today we are talking about civil engineering. So, let's get started. Now, the scope of civil engineering is vast and diverse. In India, the rapid urbanization and infrastructure development taking place mean that civil engineers are in high demand. The government's push for projects like smart cities, metro expansions, affordable housing, and renewable energy sources has made civil engineering one of the most sought after professions. Now, you will find opportunities in government sectors, private construction companies, consultancy firms, and even self employment where you can start your own construction business or consultancy. Internationally, civil engineers are also in demand. Developed countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and the UK offer excellent job prospects. Countries in the Middle East are always on the lookout for civil engineers to work on large scale projects like high rise buildings, airports, and railways. Civil engineers can also specialize in niche areas like environmental engineering, sustainable development, or water resource management, which opens doors to global opportunities. But what does a civil engineer actually do? Now, the nature of work depends on the project and the specialization, but it generally includes planning, designing, and overseeing the construction and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, tunnels, airports, and other infrastructure. So, let's talk about it one by one. Designing and planning. Civil engineers work closely with architects, surveyors, and clients to design functional, safe, and efficient structures. Whether it's a small residential building or a massive industrial complex, civil engineers ensure that the design adheres to safety codes and meets all the necessary specifications. Then, construction supervision. Civil engineers also take on the role of supervising construction projects. They manage construction crews, inspect project sites, and ensure that materials and equipment are up to standard. They also need to monitor the project's progress to ensure that it's completed on time and within budget. Then, problem solving. No project is without challenges, and civil engineers are problem solvers. They handle unexpected situations on construction sites, whether it's issues with soil conditions, unforeseen costs, or safety concerns. Quick decision making is a crucial part of the job. Then, maintenance and upgradation. Civil engineers are also responsible for maintaining and upgrading existing infrastructure. Think about road repairs, building renovations, or improving a water supply system. These are just as critical as building new structures. Now, let's talk about skills required. So, to succeed as a civil engineer, you need to develop a combination of technical and soft skills. Some of the most essential skills include strong mathematical and analytical skills. Yeah, civil engineering is based on complex calculations and designs, and you need to be proficient in subjects like calculus, geometry, and physics. Then, attention to detail. Every inch matters in civil engineering. A small error in measurement or design can lead to massive problems later on. Then, project management skills. Civil engineers often oversee large teams and manage multiple aspects of a project, including time, budget, and resources. Then, problem solving ability. Unexpected challenges will arise on the job, and you need to come up with effective solutions on the spot. Communication skills. You'll be collaborating with architects, contractors, and clients. Clear and concise communication is key to ensuring a smooth project flow. And leadership and teamwork. Civil engineers often lead teams, so leadership qualities are crucial. However, you also need to be a team player, collaborating with multiple professionals on any given project. Then, creativity and innovation. Civil engineers must think creatively to solve complex infrastructure challenges. This can mean devising sustainable solutions or coming up with innovative ways to build in difficult environments. Then, educational qualifications. Then, to become a civil engineer, you need a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Now, this program typically lasts 4 years and covers subjects like structural engineering, fluid mechanics, transportation engineering, and geotechnical engineering. And after that, if you want to specialize further, you can pursue a master's degree in a specific area like environmental engineering, construction management, or transportation systems. And if you want to work abroad or secure high level positions, earning a professional certification like chartered engineer in the UK or becoming a licensed professional engineer in the United States can be beneficial. Now, let me share with you a few names from where you can study civil engineering. Now, these names are one of the best in the world. One, MIT, based in US. Then Stanford University, again US. Then University of Cambridge, United Kingdom. University of California, Berkeley, again US. Then Imperial College of London, UK. ETH Zurich, Switzerland. The National University of Singapore, better known as NUS, of course, in Singapore. Then University of Tokyo, Japan. Then Delft University of Technology, Netherlands. And these institutions not only offer excellent education but also provide numerous research opportunities, internships, and placements with leading construction companies and government bodies. Now, steps to follow to become a successful civil engineer. First, earn a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from a recognized institution. Then pursue internships during your studies to gain practical experience. Consider specializing in a specific area like environmental engineering, structural engineering, or project management. Then stay updated with the latest technologies in civil engineering like the building information modeling, that BIM. Then work towards gaining professional certifications such as chartered engineer or professional engineer. Then build your network by joining civil engineering associations like the American Society of Civil Engineering or the Institution of Civil Engineers. Then gain experience in both design and construction to enhance your problem solving abilities. And finally, continuously develop your leadership and management skills. Now, let's talk about numbers. What can you expect to earn as a civil engineer? So, in India, the starting salary for a civil engineer typically ranges from 3.5 to 6 lakhs per annum. With experience and advanced qualifications, this can go up to 10 to 15 lakhs per annum. Senior engineers, especially those in management roles or working with multinational companies, can even earn 20 lakhs or more annually. And abroad, in countries like the United States, UK, Canada, and Australia, civil engineers are well compensated. In the US, for instance, the average annual salary for civil engineer is around $86,000 to $100,000. In UK, it's about 40,000 to 60,000 pounds. And countries in Middle East like the UAE and Qatar also offer lucrative packages ranging from $70,000 to $90,000 annually. So, to wrap it up, civil engineering is more than just a career. It's about building the world, whether it's roads, bridges, or skyscrapers. Civil engineers have a tangible impact on society. The opportunities in India are massive, and if you're looking to work abroad, civil engineers are in demand globally. With the right skills, qualifications, and mindset, you can build a highly successful career in this dynamic and ever evolving field. So, if you're someone who's passionate about problem solving, enjoy maths and physics, and wants to leave a mark on the world, this could be the perfect career for you. So, if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. Now, there's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. If you have found value in the podcast, help us reach more listeners by sharing with your friends, family, and colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. So, thank you for listening to today's episode of the Kapil Gupta Career Polish. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your future. And last line, ever wondered what it takes to build something that lasts for centuries? Stay tuned, where we dive into the world of sustainable engineering and how it's shaping our future. Thank you.